Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a macOS bootable USB drive using a Windows PC. This is super useful if you need to install macOS on a Mac, but don't have access to one right now. First, download and install a tool called TransMac. It's a paid program, but it comes with a 15-day trial, which is more than enough to get this job done. Once installed, right-click on the TransMac icon and choose Run as administrator. If you're using the trial version, just wait about 15 seconds for it to activate. Now, plug in your USB flash drive. Be sure to back up anything important on it, because this process will erase everything. In TransMac, find your USB on the left side, right-click it, and choose Format Disk for Mac. This step is important because it makes sure the drive is using the correct GPT partition, which is required for Macs. Give the drive a name like macOS Bootable USB, and go ahead with the formatting. Once that's done, right-click on the USB again and select Restore with Disk Image. Confirm that you want to erase the drive again. Then browse for your macOS DMG file. Is the image file of the macOS installer. Select the file, click Open, and confirm everything. TransMac will now begin writing the macOS installer to your USB. This process can take a while, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll have a working macOS bootable USB drive, ready to use on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.